Hi, do you know that your phone can access free Wi-Fi, free data, without any form of payment? All you need to do is to download the app, go inside the app, you register with the company, put your email, your full name and everything. You put your password. You can now access free Wi-Fi in anywhere you are, in any country you are, both in Nigeria, you can access it. They have the one of Android phone, they have the one of iPhone. So you can stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, you have to click the left button and subscribe. I'm gonna giving you the tips and the things that you need to get about this Wi-Fi. Let's go. There is one app that called Auto Wi-Fi Lite. This Wi-Fi has been good to people that you can get free access to Wi-Fi without even owning your data. Just all you need to do, enter the app, download it and then register. After registering from this app, you can connect your Wi-Fi. You'll be using free Wi-Fi, but they have a limit of Wi-Fi they give you. Every day they give 1 gig. Every day they give 1 gig. So that 1 gig, you'll be using the 1 gig. When it finish, you need to wait till the next day to access the Wi-Fi. So let's go. Another one is Osimino Wi-Fi. Osimino Wi-Fi is a kind of Wi-Fi that you can just enter inside the app on your Wi-Fi. You can access any free Wi-Fi around your area, whether you have the password or you don't have the password. You can access the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi password will be showing in your own phone. So you will now log in the real password. So this kind of app, this kind of platform, they are reviewing the Wi-Fi password. So let's go, guys. There is another one called InstaBridge. InstaBridge is a wonderful and nice Wi-Fi connection. It's a very wonderful Wi-Fi. You don't need to recharge again. You don't need to waste your money on datas. You don't need to do what? Continue subscribing, and the rate of subscription in Nigeria now is very, very high. So the only thing you need to do, go to this app, download the app, go to the website. When you go to the website, you register. When you register, they will give you chance to perform simple tasks. When I mean simple task, it's not hard. It's not hard. I know you'll be saying, this thing is too hard. So it's not hard. It's simple task. Which is the simple task is to on your Wi-Fi, go around and scan. Just go around, so that other internet, other free Wi-Fi's that is around your area will now connect to the platform. Then they will now review the secret, like they will review the password of those Wi-Fi. When they review those passwords, they will now access to their own data. They will access to those Wi-Fi that you connect, that your area give you. So when they access to those Wi-Fi, if those people are consuming their own data, you understand? If they are consuming their own data, then the data will be converting to MB. It will be converting to gig. So the gig is the ones that you will be accessing. So it will now give you free Wi-Fi. You understand? Through the Wi-Fi of your neighbors. You understand? So let's go, guys.